Hi guys, so I think this is gonna be my first vlog, and can you show them? We're here at the flower fields in where? Carlsbad? Carlsbad. I think this is what we might do right there. Look at how pretty that is. Oh, I cannot focus this thing. It smells good. You guys, we got closer. Look at how pretty this is. Oh wait, look at that.
At the moment she said she didn't have one.
Do you like it, Lisa?
Yeah.
Yeah? It's so beautiful. Look at all of these tiny ones. We're in the white section right now, and I'm out of breath with just that little hill. It's so pretty though. Look at that big ass flower. There really wasn't too much to do here. I hope you guys can hear me since it's like kind of windy today. But it was really nice because there's like popcorn, lemonade, and I don't know if they sell food here, but there's also like a little maze for little kids. It's really nice for like a little date if you're going on a first date or like just want to go get out. It's really nice. And what else? Let's see. I think there's more shops. We have other plans to do for tonight, so that's why we kind of finished it fast, and I didn't really show too much, but it's really nice if you guys come in person. It's beautiful, and today's like the perfect day. It's sunny and then there's wind, so it was a good day to come. So I'll see you guys on my next video, which we're gonna be at the zoo by then. We're here at the San Diego Zoo. San Diego Zoo? San Diego Safari? San Diego Safari Park. And we're gonna stay the night in the zoo. And we're gonna sleep in a tent. Oh, what do you think you're gonna expect?
I think we're gonna hear a lot of animals, and we're not gonna sleep again.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah? Lisa, are you excited?
Kind of.
Kind of. And you,
Very
birthday girl?
excited. I am
Yeah.
very, very excited. I just...
Alright, so
yeah, I took videos.
I'll probably record a little bit at night and
Hey, so where are we?
we're in the butterfly nest, I think. We can't touch them, or they can't. Yeah, we can't touch them. So just see, it's just so hot and humid, but it's so pretty. There's a lot of them.
You got a butterfly.
I caught one.
Damn, you're a butterfly whisperer.
Is he drinking from the right there?
Yeah, he is. So that's his proboscis. So it works like a straw, so he's sucking up all the watermelon juices.
Oh wow! Oh look! Look right now! So
Hey, let me get up on the side.
Yeah, they're real funny too. They taste with their feet. So if you saw a butterfly land on anybody and then like jumped off immediately, they went, nope.
With
we finally came to the campsites. So these are the, I think these might be the tents that we're gonna be sleeping at. And then there's rhinos behind these tents and we're pretty close. So I'm excited to wake up to that. Oh, there, I think that lighting.
No, because unicorns don't have their horn on.
The lighting is better. We're gonna do that truck tomorrow, right there. There's a truck right there. This is dinner.
Gourmet.
For Karina's birthday. 5-star. This is a lot better than yesterday's adventure. That's my dinner. Are you excited, Serenity? You're gonna be eating next to the animals? Oh, they're somewhere over there. No? You're really excited? Yeah. A ver, Mom? Oh, I know. Wow. Alright. We're gonna look for our tents. Oh, there's a lot of kids. I hope they shut up by the night. 28. And what other? 29 too? Right here. Alright, I guess those two are ours. Those two are ours? Yeah. Oh. And this is what we're gonna wake up to. Not too far from the animals. We're also right behind the, what's it called? The hot air balloon. It's right there. It's yellow.
hey, where we at, girl?
Hi.
Can you see them?
Can we come inside?
We're gonna. We don't really sleep like on the floor.
We sleep with our sleeping bags.
We're gonna sleep like this and all together, okay? So we could stay much more warmer, okay?
I wanna sleep in the middle.
Let me see if they're comfortable.
No, do I sleep in the middle or where?
We'll see. Oh, they are comfortable.
Massaging me.
They're not uncomfortable. They're pretty comfortable.
Yeah, they're pretty comfortable.
It's actually really spacious. Probably all of us would fit in here, right? How many are? We're doing a night, well, this afternoon tour.
Go, mommy!
That's
Oh, mommy! Oh yeah, mommy!
There's a cute baby elephant. Right there.
Oh yeah, we have to put something up. There's a little dipper, so that might be the Sholo. But yeah, the Sholo is definitely the reigning king. He's the biggest one here.
We got a closer look. Oh, what are those doing?
Another big fun African animal.
It's armadillo? Oh, it's an armadillo.
Mentioned he's so this is Peanut.
My nickname is Peanut.
Peanut likes to do the wave. He'll continue to do it. It's always cute. All right. So this is pretty standard for a 3-banded armadillo. This is pretty much what they do. What do you think?
Sorry.
No, go for it.
I would say some type of grass, like
bug
or herbivore.
Ooh, I heard both. Both common answers. He's a bug eater, so he's classified as an insect.
What are you doing, Karina?
Trying to make a s'more.
Trying to make a s'more?
It's so long, I can't.
I can't even do my graham cracker. So long. I'm trying to.
Oh my god. We got s'mores as a snack. Let's go see if they're awake. Oh no, I only have 12 seconds. Wake up. Oh.
Things can happen. So this mark, this follow me mark, what it's called, keeps the herd together. They just follow it single file. Even in the open clearings out here, when they travel, they still travel single file, following the white ring in front of them. Like an epic novel. But as we move away from the wetlands, away from the pond, into those open plains and the savannas, where you need room to run, because you may be pursued by the fastest land mammal, not out here, of course, at the safari park, but in Africa. If they find themselves being chased by cheetahs, the springbok.
I like it because
Where are we going?
the safari.
What are we gonna do?
We're going to pet giraffes and feed them. They have
We're
purple
gonna
brown
feed giraffes.
We're going to the safari.
Are you guys excited?
Very excited.
Yeah. Are you vlogging, Karina?
No, I'm not. I'm not vlogging. No. Watch the camera. There's one of our girls.
Oh, it's a girl.
When can we stand up? Yeah, you can stand up now. Oh, it's fine. Yeah, big toe,
Oh,
big toe.
wow.
Slower. She's gonna check you out. I think she's a little hungry.
Don't make any noise.
Yeah. Look how still her is.
Wow.
Is it pretty? Yeah. How many cheetahs do you see in there?
One.
Just
Only
one.
one. Yeah, cheetahs are solitary, so you only find one in a territory at a time usually.
She wants to come, but she's a bit...
She's thinking about it.
Yeah.
They don't like waiting in line if there's another giraffe there.
Oh, that's what it is.
Yeah.